The deep sea, a world of mystery and wonder. It is a place of perpetual darkness, crushing pressure and frigid temperatures, yet, despite these harsh conditions, life thrives in the deep. Imagine a world without sunlight, a place where the only light comes from the creatures themselves. This is the reality for the inhabitants of the deep sea, a realm that plunges thousands of meters below the ocean's surface. Here, life takes on strange and fascinating forms, adapted to an environment that is both alien and awe-inspiring. Deep-sea ecosystems are unlike anything found on land. They are home to a dazzling array of creatures, each uniquely equipped to survive in this extreme environment. From giant squid to bioluminescent jellyfish, the deep sea teems with life that challenges our understanding of the natural world. Join us on a journey into the abyss where we'll uncover the secrets of these deep-sea denizens and discover the importance of protecting this hidden realm. In the deep sea, darkness is the norm. The absence of sunlight has a profound impact on the creatures that live here, shaping their anatomy, physiology, and behavior. Many deep-sea animals have evolved unique adaptations to navigate this perpetual night. One of the most striking adaptations is bioluminescence, the ability of an organism to produce its own light. This ethereal glow serves a variety of purposes, from attracting prey to deterring predators. Some species, like the anglerfish, have evolved elaborate lures that dangle in front of their mouths, enticing unsuspecting prey with their bioluminescent glow. Another adaptation is the development of highly sensitive eyes. Some deep-sea creatures, like the giant squid, have eyes the size of dinner plates, allowing them to detect the faintest glimmer of light in the darkness. Others have abandoned sight altogether, relying on other senses, such as touch and smell, to navigate their surroundings. The lack of sunlight also affects the coloration of deep-sea creatures. Many species are transparent or red, colors that appear black in the depths, providing camouflage in the darkness. These adaptations highlight the remarkable ways life has found a way to flourish in the absence of light. Descending into the ocean depths is like entering another world, one where pressure increases dramatically with every passing meter. At these depths, the weight of the water overhead is immense, creating an environment that would crush most surface-dwelling creatures. Yet, deep-sea animals have evolved remarkable adaptations to withstand these crushing pressures. Their bodies are often filled with fluids that match the pressure of the surrounding water, preventing them from being crushed. Some species, like the blobfish, have gelatinous bodies that are less dense than water, allowing them to maintain neutral buoyancy and conserve energy in this high-pressure environment. Others, like the deep-sea hatchetfish, have evolved specialized swim bladders filled with gas that helps them regulate their buoyancy. The deep sea is a testament to the incredible adaptability of life, demonstrating that even in the most extreme environments, life finds a way. In the vast expanse of the deep sea, finding a meal can be a challenge. With no sunlight to support photosynthesis, food is scarce and often comes from the surface in the form of dead organisms, known as marine snow. This slow drizzle of organic matter provides sustenance for a variety of deep-sea creatures. Some animals, like the vampire squid, have evolved specialized feeding strategies to capture this falling debris. They extend long, sticky filaments into the water to trap particles of food. Others, like the tripod fish, perch on the seabed, using their elongated fins to detect vibrations and snatch passing prey. Many deep-sea creatures are also opportunistic predators, scavenging on the carcasses of dead whales and other large animals that sink to the bottom. These whale falls provide a sudden and abundant source of food, attracting a variety of scavengers and decomposers. The deep sea is a delicate balance of life and death, where survival depends on the ability to adapt and exploit limited resources. Section 5. Love in the dark, reproduction in the deep. In the darkness of the deep sea, finding a mate can be a daunting task. Yet, life has found ingenious ways to ensure the continuation of species. Some deep-sea creatures, like anglerfish, exhibit extreme sexual dimorphism, where males are much smaller than females and live as parasites on their mates. Other species, like the deep-sea dragonfish, rely on bioluminescent signals to attract mates in the darkness. Their flashing patterns and colors serve as species-specific recognition signals, ensuring that individuals find suitable partners. Once a mate is found, reproduction in the deep sea often involves the release of eggs and sperm into the water where fertilization occurs externally. Some species, however, have evolved more complex reproductive strategies, such as brooding their eggs or giving birth to live young. The challenges of reproduction in the deep sea highlight the remarkable diversity of life and the extraordinary lengths to which creatures will go to ensure the survival of their offspring. Section 6. The Twilight Zone, a world of wonder. Between the sunlit surface waters and the abyssal depths lies a mysterious realm known as the Twilight Zone. This dimly lit region, extending from 200 to 1,000 meters below the surface, is home to a unique and diverse community of creatures. Here, light fades to darkness and the pressure is immense. Yet life in the Twilight Zone is incredibly abundant. This region teems with a dazzling array of fish, squid, jellyfish and other creatures, many of which undertake daily vertical migrations, rising to shallower waters to feed at night and descending back to the depths during the day. The Twilight Zone plays a crucial role in the ocean's carbon cycle, transporting vast amounts of organic matter from the surface to the deep ocean. This process, known as the biological pump, helps regulate Earth's climate by sequestering carbon in the deep sea. However, the Twilight Zone is under increasing threat from human activities, including climate change, fishing, and pollution. Understanding and protecting this critical zone is essential for the health of our oceans and our planet. Section 7. Threats from above human impacts on the deep. For centuries, the deep sea was considered a pristine and untouched wilderness. However, advances in technology have allowed humans to reach deeper into the ocean, bringing with them a host of threats to this fragile ecosystem. One of the most pressing threats is climate change. As the ocean absorbs increasing amounts of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, it is becoming more acidic. This ocean acidification can have devastating effects on deep-sea creatures, particularly those with calcium carbonate shells or skeletons. Another significant threat is deep-sea mining. As demand for rare earth minerals and other resources increases, companies are exploring the possibility of mining the seabed. However, these operations could have devastating impacts on deep-sea ecosystems, destroying habitats and releasing plumes of sediment and pollutants. Overfishing is also a concern. As fish stocks in shallower waters decline, fishing fleets are venturing further out to sea and into deeper waters. This deep-sea fishing can damage fragile habitats and deplete populations of slow-growing deep-sea fish. Pollution from plastic waste, chemicals and noise is also reaching the deep sea, with potentially harmful effects on marine life. It's clear that human activities are having a growing impact on the deep sea, and we must act now to protect this vital part of our planet. Section 8. Guardians of the Abyss, protecting our oceans. The deep sea may seem like a distant and remote place, but its health is inextricably linked to our own. The ocean provides us with food, oxygen, and regulates our climate. Protecting the deep sea is essential for the health of our planet and the well-being of future generations. There are several things we can do to protect the deep sea. We can support sustainable fishing practices that prevent overfishing and minimize bycatch. We can reduce our reliance on fossil fuels and transition to cleaner sources of energy to mitigate the impacts of climate change. We can advocate for policies that protect the deep sea from mining and other extractive activities. Finally, we can support scientific research and exploration to better understand and appreciate the wonders of the deep. By raising awareness about the importance of the deep sea and the threats it faces, we can inspire others to join us in becoming guardians of the abyss. Section 9. Conclusion, a call to action. The deep sea is a realm of wonder and mystery, a testament to the incredible resilience and diversity of life. Yet this hidden world is facing unprecedented threats from human activities. As we continue to explore the depths of our oceans, we must do so responsibly and with a deep respect for the creatures that call it home. Protecting the deep sea is not just about preserving biodiversity, it's about safeguarding the health of our planet. The deep ocean plays a vital role in regulating our climate, providing food and oxygen and supporting countless species. By understanding the importance of the deep sea and the threats it faces, we can all become advocates for its protection. Let us work together to ensure that this remarkable and fragile ecosystem thrives for generations to come. The future of the deep sea, and indeed our planet, depends on the choices we make today. Let us choose to be guardians of the abyss.